What if your athletic potential wasn't just about training, but a hidden genetic secret? Whispers in elite sports circles talk about the Lazarus gene, a forbidden kill switch in athlete DNA. Imagine a gene that could boost your performance beyond human limits, or shut it down completely. Is this the ultimate biohack, or a terrifying natural anomaly? The science is shocking. The implications are chilling. Are we playing with fire, unlocking secrets that should stay hidden? The truth about performance and power is deeper than you think. What's hiding in your genes?